Hey family, I hope all is well with you today. So, God placed it on my heart to talk about this, okay? There is a breakthrough coming for you. There is a big shift that's about to happen. And you may be a little scared of this. You may think you're not ready. You may think something will be the same as last time. You may be going back to a place, back to a person, but you're not going to stay in that same mindset. You're not going to stay in that same energy. You're not going to stay the same. You're going to level up, and you have to keep pushing forward, okay? This new beginning is going to bring you happiness. This new beginning is going to bring you joy. It's going to bring you comfort, okay? And you must keep going. That's what you need to do right now. Nothing is going to be the same, all right? Whether it be a new job, new car, new project, new relationship, whatever it may be, but nothing is going to turn out the same as last time, okay? Now is the time for new things to take place in your life. Now is the time to receive and gain. Now is the time to really see your full potential. Now is the time to keep going. Now is the time to stay encouraged and be inspired, okay? So family, I hope this quick word blessed you. I hope this quick word gave you some comfort. And I pray that you have a great rest of your Saturday. God bless you all.